everyone, I'm Mary with MaryGreeley News. Thank you very much for joining me. It is Thursday, February 13th, 2025. The Senate has confirmed Robert F. Kennedy Jr. to serve as Trump's health secretary. He is a controversial person amongst the liberals. But did you know that here in the United States they're expecting dementia to double the number of people that have Alzheimer's and dementia by 2060? Here in the U.S. we have over 10,000 synthetic food additives. Recently, red dye number 3, I believe it was banned. Where in the UK, Europe only has 400 synthetic food additives that are allowed. I know coffee over there is required not to have different types of pesticides to be sold there. And myself, when I was growing up, we never heard about children having autism or learning difficulties, things like that. Much is blamed upon the environment and the food that people eat. We need to get back to basics of natural foods. The Republican-controlled Senate voted nearly entirely along party lines to confirm Kennedy. Kennedy, the well-known vaccine skeptic and environmental crusader who ran for the White House in 2024 before ending his bid and endorsing Trump, need a simple majority to be confirmed by the Senate. Senator Mitch McConnell of Kentucky was the only Republican to vote against Kennedy's nomination. McConnell, the former longtime GOP Senate leader, suffered from polio as a child and is a major proponent of vaccines. If you'd like to do more research about the polio vaccine, look up Mary's Monkeys. I used to have a video on here that had data taken from the actual CDC website that YouTube did remove. Kennedy survived back-to-back combustible Senate confirmation hearings last month when Trump's nominee to lead 18 powerful federal agencies that oversee the nation's food and health faced plenty of verbal fireworks over past controversial comments, including his repeated claims in recent years linking vaccines to autism, which have been debunked by scientific research. Yeah, you always have to listen to the scientists. Look at Fauci. During the hearings, Democrats also spotlighted Kennedy's service for years as a chair or chief legal counsel for Children's Health Defense, the nonprofit organization he founded that has advocated against vaccines and sued the federal government numerous times, including a challenge over the authorization of the you-know-what in your arm vaccine for children. Earlier this week, another Republican senator who had reservations regarding Kennedy's confirmation announced support for the nominee. After extensive public and private questioning and a thorough examination of his nomination, I will support Robert F. Kennedy Jr., GOP Senate Susan Collins of Maine announced on Tuesday. Another Republican who was on the fence, Senator Lisa Murkowski of Alaska, also voted to advance Kennedy's nomination. Murkowski noted that she continues to have concerns about Mr. Kennedy's views on vaccines and his selective interpretation of scientific studies, but that the nominee had made numerous commitments to me and my colleagues, promising to work with Congress to ensure public access to information and to base vaccine recommendations on data-driven evidence based on medically sound research. Maybe you guys can answer my question, but I believe that Mr. Kennedy's, his voice was actually caused by a flu vaccine that he had a reaction to, and he has difficulty speaking. I believe that's true, but I could be wrong. So please put your comment down below. Former longtime Senate GOP leader, Senator Mitch McConnell, a major proponent of vaccines, also voted to advance Kennedy's nomination. Kennedy, whose outspoken views on Big Pharma and the food industry has also sparked controversy, has said he aims to shift the focus of the agency he would oversee towards promotion of a healthy lifestyle, including overhauling dietary guidelines, taking aim at ultra-processed foods, and getting to the root cause of chronic diseases. I suppose they were also saying that 70% of today's military-age children, 70% are overweight, obese, and unfit for military serving. Yeah, too much fast food, too much junk food, too much processed foods. So what are your thoughts? Put your comments down below. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, thumbs up the video. That will help in the ranking for here on YouTube that loves to censor. And please share. Always be prepared. And I'll talk to you later. God bless you. Bye.